students, welcome to our e-learning classes. In our previous class, we already learned lesson number 2, My Body. So today we will start our new lesson number 3, Growing Up. Before starting the lessons, I will give you a small activity. See your textbook page number 15. Look at the image carefully and write down at least two differences between them. So students, there is given a picture of a boy and there is given a picture of old person. What is difference between them? Yes, the boy is too young and this person is old. He is a small. This one is older than him. This boy have a black hair and this person have lace hair and it is grey in color. This boy don't have a beard. This old person have a beard. Okay. So students, this difference you have to write in your textbook. Now students, I am going to read the lessons. You have to speak along with me. Okay. All living things grow, change and finally die. Over a period of time, animals and human beings grow bigger and taller this age. This is called growth. The process of growth is slow and slow. Plants also grow and increase in the size with time. So at the beginning, what they tell? What is the process of growth? We know that all living things are growing. Yes, they change and finally they are die over a period of time. So whatever living things are there, they are growing, they are changed in that form, size and finally they are died. Animals and human beings grow bigger and taller with the age. So, what they tell? Animals and humans, they are growing, their size are increasing and their age are also increasing. This is called growth. So, this process are calling growth. Process of growth is slow. Plants are also grow and increase in this size. So this process take a time. Growing process is take a time. In growth process, the things grow bigger and taller. Okay. Now next, growth in human beings. There are different stages of growth in humans. So what they tell? How human beings are growing. So in humans there are different stages of growth. Now turn the page. First is infant. A newborn child who cannot talk, walk or eat food on its own, it's called infants. So what they tell? In human beings, first stage is infants. A newborn baby. He is too small, right? He can't talk or he can't walk. Even he can't eat up food by own. Yes, so that stage is called infant. Next, child. After 2 years of birth, an infant grows into a child. A child can sit, walk, speak and play in this stage. He or she became tall and strong with time. So what is the second stage of humans growth? Child. So when a baby reach at the age of 2, it will be reach on the second level of growth. It's called child. This child can sit, walk, speak, and it become tall and strong with the time. Okay. Next one is teenager. A child grows into a teenager from age 13 to 19. Many changes take place at this stage. So what is the third level of growth? Teenager. In this teenager, which period come? Age of 13 to 19. During this period, many change comes in the human's body. Next, fourth stage is adult. A teenager grows into a young man or a woman called an adult. So, after the teenage, which level came? Adult. Adult means a young man or a woman. It's called adult. Like our father-mother age is come in this group. Next, old. Many years later, a young person or adult became old. The skin get wrinkled and hair turned grey. So what they tell? During a old age, after many years, the young persons or adult became old and their skin started wrinkles and their hair turned into grey. So it is called old. In this group, our grandfather, grandmothers came. Okay, should we revise it? The human's growth. First is infant. A small baby, child is your age, you comes in this group. Then teenage, like our younger brother or sisters. Then adult, our father, mother, and old age means our grandfather, mother. So these 5 levels are there in humans' growth. Now, here there is given a small activity. Paste the picture of any of your 2 adult family members. So here you have to stick the picture of your family members who are old, like our grandfather, grandmother. See the next page. Complete the blank correctly. So here there is given the different stage of humans growth. We have to complete it, that we already studied. First was is infant, then next is child, third one is teenager, fourth one is adult, and last one is old. So this is a different stages of humans growth. Now, how plants and animals are growing. So now we will study the growth in plants and animals. Seeds of plants grow into sapling. Saplings grow into a plants of different sizes. Example, grass, shrubs, or trees. So what they tell? How plants are growing. So when we want to grow a plants, what first we will do? We put a seed in a soil, then we will give them water. Yes, then a small sapling is growing, then it will be turned into a small plants, then finally it will be grow in a tree forms, right? So this way plants are growing. Next, young one of animals also grow into big animals. So what they tell? The animals, young ones are grow like a big animals. a kittens grow into a cat. So what we call a cat baby? Kitten. A chicks become a hen. So chicks turn into hen. Next, a puppy become a dog. So a puppy is turned into a dog. Calf become a cow. So calf become a cow. So this is a young one and this one is a old one. Dog's baby is called puppy. Cat baby is called kitten. Hen's baby is called chick. Cow's baby is called calf. So this is a growth in animals. So from a young animals it will be turned into a big animal. Now see the match the following. Match the young with their old one. Chicks. So chicks. Who's young one? Yes, hen. So match with the C. Next, calf. Calf is a younger form of cow. So match with the A. Sapling is the young form of tree. So match it. So I hope you understand the lessons. So should we revise it? What the means of growing up? Growing up means in all living things are grow big and taller with the time. This process is called growing up. In human beings there are 5 stages of growing up. First one is infant, second is child, third one is teenager, fourth one is adult, and fifth one is called old. Same way plants and animals are also growing up by the time of period. In plants there are 4 stages. First one is shade, second one is sapling, third one is plant, and fourth one is tree. In animals, from a young one that become a big animal. So I hope you understand the lessons. In next class I will give you exercise of this lesson. Okay.